Ladies and gentlemen, like I said in the last video, I gotta fix this piece of junk. Here, let me just show you. Still has one lug nut on it. This thing shakes, so I'm pretty sure it's the wheel bearing. Luckily, we have the new one. Was a little spendy. And I hope that's everything because I really don't want to do a spindle and a rotor. So, yeah, let's get into it. All right, jacked it off. Jacked it up. Took the caliper bolts off. Got some loud freaking motorcycles over there. You just pry right here. It pushes the pistons in. That way, you don't have to compress it later. Yeah, that should roll. Next, you pop this cap off. Next, you pop this cap off. And that doesn't look very clean. Cotter pin out. Also, I don't need a wrench to take that off. I think I found our culprit. Yeah, I'd say she's done. Look at that. So unfortunately, I'm looking at this. This spindle looks pretty damaged, which I really do not want to replace. I also do not have the money to replace that right now. So I'm gonna go pick up a new rotor just for this side. It's low budget, I know, but I beat the heck out of this off-road, so it's not like it's gonna do much. So yeah, kind of a big predicament right there. To AutoZone we go. So the part I damaged, the spindle, those are $1,500 on Camberg.com, which that is more than one of my paychecks, which I have other stuff to pay for. So I cannot do that right now. So I'm going to the store just so I can get the rotor. We're gonna slap that together. Hopefully it works. So yeah, let's go. All right, I got the new rotor. That was not cheap either. But yeah, anyone else feel like they live at AutoZone more than their own home? Because I sure do. All right, it's a new day. Hope you guys enjoyed your 24th. We got the new rotor right here. Looks a lot better than the old one. But hopefully this should work without trying to replace the $1,500 spindle. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, I got the new rotor on. I didn't record me packing the bearings because, it got a little bit dirty. But I packed the bearings in, torqued the nut down to 20 foot-pounds, and then put the little cover plate on the nut, and then put in a cotter pin. That way it doesn't back itself off. After that, slap that little cap on. Well, the tire hasn't fallen off yet, so I think we're good so far. I still have no AC in here, and it's very, very uncomfortable, but it's a race truck, right? We don't need that. All right, that's gonna conclude today's video. I know it wasn't much, but I do these for free, so I had to get the truck fixed so we can make more videos with it. Hopefully it lasts while I go off-roading. Yeah. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. That way I can actually get paid and we can have better content for everyone. So yeah, see you in the next video.